Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use a multiple effects on TikTok in one video. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your TikTok app. And now, just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen so that you can start taking your video. So here, just go ahead and choose the time duration that you want. And for the first clip, just go ahead and choose the filter or effect that you want. And now just go ahead and start taking the video. Me? Sorry, there's a music. I didn't know that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. So again, just go ahead and choose the effect that you want and start taking your video. Once you're happy with that clip, just go ahead and choose again another effect, and again take a video and choose another effect and take a video. So just go ahead and repeat that process until you are happy with the video. And when you're done, just go ahead and click on the check mark. So I'm just gonna do this part fast so that you can hear me. So after you've done, or after you click the check mark, you can just go ahead and edit your video and click on the next button. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the check mark and click the next button, taking your video. And again, so here you can now just go ahead and add your caption and you're ready to go. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.